The thing about design is to always never rest. I don't really think it's possible to be satisfied. It's always not okay. And you always need to improve it, don't you? You know, nothing is more perfect than those things that you can control on your drawing board. It's a bit like, if you're a musician, you're sitting in a studio and the world is an abstract place in that time and you just make everything perfect.
We at CDMS have always prided ourselves on creating homes with meticulous detail and quality that stands the test of time, so Angelo was a natural choice. His designs are timeless.
When it comes to a project like this, it's a seasoned practitioner's project. It's not experimental in that sense. It's, I think, serious work. And I think people need to kind of understand that when they look at it. It can't be frivolous. It can't have experimentation that is needless in it. It can't be trying to shock everyone every morning. It has to just be good. And that's hard to do.
The process of working with him is incredibly collaborative. He hand sketches everything. He is literally at the drawing board himself, and so every residence won't just be architecturally designed, but it will be personally designed. It's incredibly exciting.
A famous artist once said, anyone can be a genius at 27, but try to be a genius at 57. Very few people are very good at that age in my profession. And there's a reason for that. Things get in the way. And there are so many external attitudes that come into play that cause for you to almost lose an ability to be able to be professional. And I've tried very hard in my career not to be of that type because I think it's more important to constantly learn. The person that would like to live there, that person might be interested in art. So they might actually not want to own an Edvard Munch, but actually appreciate it. They might be interested in really beautiful movies, Stanley Kubrick. They might be interested in really beautiful contemporary music, but mostly they're people that are interested in the world and they want to do good things.